Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. So as I mentioned in one of my videos that I'll be showing how to apply eyelash, and I will also review the eyelash that I bought from Amazon. So this is the eyelash I was talking about. This is the Calailis Fox Mink eyelash. The MRP of this product which is mentioned in the label is 915 rupees, but I got it for rupees 324, and I was so happy to see that the eyelash was really beautiful and it looked like something very expensive. When I usually go for cheap eyelashes, they usually looks like plastic and very artificial, but when I received this product I was so happy to see the quality, and it resembles eyelashes which are from higher end brands. So let me open this up. So this is how the inner packaging looks like. These are the three sets of eyelashes. You can see that this one have thickness evenly all around. Part of the eyelash which is at the ridges somewhat thicker than the inner side. The price of this product keeps on fluctuating, so I don't know if this is available for 324 rupees right now. It can be more or less. So if you want to buy this product, the link of this product will be provided in my description box. You can check that out. So you will also receive a eyelash glue along with it. So the bottle looks really nice, really fancy, because you may have seen that in this type of lashes you tend to get the tube type of eyelash glue which doesn't at all works. So this type of applicator you are getting, this is a small brush at its end which will help you apply the glue on the eyelash. So I'm so happy to receive this. So let me show you the eyelashes one by one. So I think they are made up of some kind of fiber. They are really soft. They are not at all, they doesn't at all gives the finish of a plastic. So let me show you the first pair of lashes, that is this one. So the first step to apply eyelash is that you need to cut the ends. If your eyelash doesn't fit your eye, my eyelash will fit my eye because I have already tried this out and it fits really well, so I need not cut the ends. So if your eyes are smaller, you can adjust it by cutting both the ends. After applying the glue, just do this movement. Don't blow air to dry this glue, especially in case if you are doing makeup for your client. That's not at all hygienic. So do this, and after the glue have dried up, I will apply it with my bare hands. I'm comfortable with that more. So first of all, you need to apply it on the middle part of your lids, then slowly go with the ends. I'm not sure about the glue, whether it will stick or not. So here you go. And one more important thing is that for applying the eyelash, you need to curl up your lashes using mascara or a curler, so that the eyelash and your lashes overlap each other, or else it will look like two separate layers. So you need to keep that in mind. That was the first eyelash. So I am not kind of happy with the eyelash glue. It made my eye water a lot. So you can go for the Miss Claire eyelash adhesive. This is a excellent eyelash glue and it won't irritate your eyes a lot. So this is the only eyelash glue I trust a lot, so you can go for this one. So now we will be moving on to the second type of lash. So this is the third type of eyelash. The second one and the third one are quite similar. The first one is a little bit longer than this one. बाकी बिल्कुल ही सेम है दोनों. I am really happy about this purchase. So in case you are looking for low cost eyelashes in of good quality, then you can definitely go for the Calailis eyelashes. They are very nice. They have a good range of eyelashes on Amazon, so you can buy it from there, and the link of this product will be given in my description box. I hope you all have enjoyed watching this video. If you like this video, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, and those who are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel. That will be a great help from you all. And also do not forget to turn on that notification bell so that you get notifications whenever I come up with new videos. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.